An easy side table DIY. All right. So this was kind of a fail, but it was okay. So I wanted it to have a little bit of line texture in it. So I put some hot glue. I mixed the concrete per the instructions. And then I used this tray from the Dollar Tree as my mold. These are lifts for your bed. So they'll come in a set of four. So I'm just hot gluing those together, alternating, how they go together to make the base for the side table. You can use some E6000 glue too on this. And then this is how it came out. You can see it is not a perfect circle because the edges did chip, but that's okay because it kind of adds to that distress look that I was going for with adding the hot glue lines in it. Then I painted the legs and this is how it came out. I think it's actually cuter with it all, cracked up on the sides. I don't know. Let me know what you thought. I hope it gave you some inspiration to go out and create your own concrete side table.